I'm guessing what credit score is needed to increase your limit. It really would just depend. Now, you guys could, no matter what your credit score is, you can get a secure credit card and increase your, um, you can actually increase your credit limit easily. Like, you don't need to have a certain credit score. You can just put money down to increase your limit. So it really would just depend. This is kind of a trick question, but usually if you want to increase your credit, if you want to increase your credit limit, then usually it's going to be based a lot of times not just on your credit score, but then how much money you're actually bringing in. So because they don't want to give you more debt if you don't have enough money to pay it off. They don't care what credit score you have. So if you guys are trying to get a credit limit increase, I do try to tell people to try to have their credit score over 750 if you want to have a better chance of saying yes, they're going to give me this increase. But also think about the debt part of it too. They want to know how much income you have, how much debt you have. They're going to be looking at your other credit cards. It's going to just be more than just like what credit score you need. They're going to be looking at the different things that's on your credit. If you have credit cards that's maxed out and now you asking them to give you more credit, it may be harder for you guys to get that credit limit increase. So it's really different. But if you guys want me to answer that question in a different way, definitely make sure you drop that